Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix going live on TikTok. Much like Facebook Live and Instagram Live videos, TikTok Live has quickly become a popular way of communicating. Brands can build trust, educate their audience, and increase engagement. Now, how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers? Let's see. Go to your profile. After that, tap the create icon on the home screen. As you can see here, there is no live option. We only have camera, story, and template. Now, how are you going to fix this one? Click the hamburger icon, click settings and privacy. Now scroll down and look for report a problem. This one. After that, it will take you directly to this and where you can click any related questions or topic about your concern. Now click live. Here, you need to select any related questions and answers again. Now, all you have to do is to click this very close to your topic or concern, which is I can find any live on TikTok. Click this one, and then it will take you directly into this. Here you can see a report a problem again. Then below you can see is your problem resolved? Click no. After that, click need more help. Here you can see a small box where you can type your feedback. So let's say I can't go live on TikTok. Please help me. And you can say thank you. You can also attach a photo or a video, anything here that prove that you don't have the live feature on TikTok. Once done, click submit. You can see here, thank you for your feedback. We'll contact you if more info is needed. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and tutorials.